Hello everyone, I am here, Long Island, Bahamas, walking in the water, and I'm going to answer this question. Is it okay to use the same sunscreen on the face and on the body, or should I use two separate products? So the short answer to this is that yes, it's totally possible to use the same products on the body and the face. I do not recommend that you use the face sunscreen on your body just because of the cost, but it's possible. The only thing you need to pay attention to when using a body sunscreen on the face is that sometimes when you sweat or if you spray it and the product gets into your eyes, it can sting because it is not been formulated for the face with a special technology to prevent that. But other than that, it is totally fine, so do not worry about that. Sometimes face sunscreens are enriched with additional antioxidants and claim to help with the wrinkles, but the main agent to help with wrinkles is actually the sunscreen itself and not these adds-on ingredients. So if they are there, good. If they are not, still okay. Keep falling here. Woo. And yes, I hope this answer your questions, and goodbye from the island of Long Island, Bahamas.